folks, if you remember this video, this is the treasure hunt I got from this store, the one we are going to go today. So welcome back, one more episode of where to find Hot Wheels in Toronto. So we are visiting in the heart of downtown in 110 Harbour Street. So this is a Dollarama store which is close by my work, and I drop by most of the time whenever I get time here. So variation wise, collection wise, it's a very good place to collect. So today, even though we do not have much of the store like previous lot left, but still I see a couple of good castings there. So overall casting collection wise, this store is very good. As you can see, there's like McLarens, and you will see later on Audis and other Lambos there as well. I will give it, I would say, 4 stars out of 5 because of the frequency of treasure hunts I got from here. But today, no treasure hunts. It's only Volkswagen and the Shelby. See you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.